Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and today we're going to talk about rabbits, those darn little rascals that love to maul everyone's gardens. Well, it's time to fight back against those beasties, not with chemicals or poison, but with plants that they hate. So, we're going to look at 30 wonderful plants, perennials, annuals, shrubs, all kinds of things that rabbits will leave alone and really let you just go back to enjoying your garden. So you saw a couple already. The Yarrow, Rosemary are some really good basic ones I like to use in clients' gardens. There's some succulents too, like these sticks on fire, blue chalk sticks, and sedums. This one's called Autumn Joy. Those are good succulents that rabbits generally don't like. They will chew up echeverias, so don't use that in your garden if you have rabbit issues. Some of the more common Mediterranean plants that rabbits will leave alone, you can see, are lavenders, clumping blue fescues, lavender cottons, and butterfly bushes is one of my favorite. They get really big and beautiful in the summertime. Another great butterfly bush that rabbits really leave alone is Lantana because the foliage is kind of toxic. You don't want to put this in the backyard with dogs because that foliage can really bother them, but it's really great if you have rabbits that you're trying to fight off. And of course, butterflies love lantana. The geraniums are really nice, not the ivy geraniums, but definitely some of the big leaf geraniums they'll leave alone. Or you could shift up to something a little more poisonous like lochroma. The entire plant is toxic, so again, not for backyards with dogs and small kids, but definitely a good one to fight off those rabbits. And there are various salvias too. I have these guys in my front yard, and I have rabbits all night long. They never bother these salvias, especially the Mexican bush sage. Let's look at some California natives. I'm from San Diego, and these are some California natives that rabbits will just bypass and go on to something else. Poppy is a great annual. Fuschia is a great hummingbird plant. Ceanothus comes in lots of different types of forms. This is Cotoneaster, a very drought-tolerant, great for slopes kind of plant. All right, moving away from the natives, we get into some other ones, nice perennials like Asclepias and Liriope. Asclepias is also known as milkweed, and it is a great plant for attracting monarch butterflies in your garden. Russian sage looks really pretty in the summertime. Junipers are a good foundation shrub, lots of different kinds, like these tiny towers and Wichita blues that are the upright kinds, and there's also some that are a little bit more prostrate to the ground. How about some showy flowers like delphiniums and daylilies? They come in lots of different forms. And daylilies, give you all these wonderful blooms, and they're pretty low maintenance and pretty tough. You just got to pick off the flowers. Coreopsis has really sharp kind of flowers, so that's why the rabbits generally leave that alone. Bellflower's another one that's beautiful, but a little bit toxic. Floss flower is a great little annual. I love to put it in the front of beds in the summertime. And of course, the very poisonous foxglove, the plant that almost killed James Bond in Casino Royale. Well, there you go. A really quick tour of 30 wonderful plants for your garden. Thanks so much for watching. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Stay